Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Going to take a quick look at a case for the Galaxy Note Ultra. Yes, that's the Galaxy Note Ultra. I know that's not the latest one, but it's still a pretty new phone because it's only been out about 6 months. But this is the ESR case. It's a case with a metal kickstand that I'm going to look at right now. I've been wanting to look at it for a while, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, before we get started, let me show you where you get it from. It's the ESR metal kickstand case compatible with Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. It's reinforced drop protection, translucent black, and there's a picture right here. See, it's got the metal kickstand, and they say it's pretty good, one of the best out there. $18.99 on Prime. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, here's the box. Protective case cover, ESR. Not much else on the box there. Reliable protection, 100% satisfaction, they said. All right, now it's got a little bit of instructions in there. We don't really need that. And this is sandwiched in there. All right, let's put this to the side. Now this got a it's got a jelly back, so I thought it was translucent. So I like that because that's pretty sticky right there. All right, now this is the kickstand right here, and it's pretty solid, not flimsy. I like that. That works well. And you got your mic hole right there. You got your ports and openings right there. You got a lanyard opening right there. That's pretty cool. And you got some branding right there, ESR branding. Got your buttons right there. All right. So looks good so far. Let's go ahead and get the device and put it inside. Okay, here's the Note 20 Ultra. Let's go ahead and put it inside right here. And the case is pretty slim and nice grip. The kickstand is not intrusive, and it kind of gives you a point of reference on the back too, so that's pretty cool. The camera is well protected, as you can see right there. It looks good. And you got your mic hole lined up right there. All your ports and everything lined up on the bottom. You can see that real nice. Clean on this side, and you got your power button and your down button right there. That works well. And I like the finish on this camera right here. Nice. No feet on the back, but this will keep the back off of a surface because it's going to sit up at an angle. And you got some lip on the front. So you got lip on the front that's going to protect the glass, and it's nice. It's just right. Not too bulky, not too much, not too little. And the sides come up pretty good enough to protect the screen. So you're going to be good. It's a nice case. I like it. Now, this kickstand. All right, so you pull it out, and you can sit down. You can sit your phone down and watch a movie or something. You can even put it this way. It's a little bit, it might not do well in that position, but you can turn it around the other way as well to get a different angle. Okay, so that's pretty cool. And it does hold up this way, but you're probably not going to watch it that way anyway. But pretty much pretty versatile kickstand right there, and it's nice feel to it, nice and solid. Okay, I think that's going to be pretty durable. Now let's check out wireless charge. Let's see how wireless charge will work with this kickstand. Okay, so let's see how this works with the kickstand. All right, so it didn't pick up wireless charge yet. At least I didn't see. Okay, so it did pick up wireless charge. Even with this kickstand not at an angle, it still picked it up. So I got the phone resting on the charger with the kickstand, so it still picked it up even at an angle. So that's pretty cool. And that answers a lot of questions for me because I was wondering how this would work if it's standing up with the kickstand. So it will pick it up because it'll get close enough to the charger. So that's pretty cool. So don't worry about that. Okay, so that was a quick look at the ESR case for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra with the metal kickstand. Does work with wireless charge. So that's pretty good. All right. Now this is a good case, nice and slim, good grip. And you got the versatile kickstand right there. All right, I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. If you got any questions, hit up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.